Bonjour tout le monde.
Bonjour.
C'est notre mise à jour de la Rosarie, notre voyage pour faire une vie pour notre famille à la campagne en France. Okay, that's the French bit. I'm trying to get practice every time. Right, so to update from last time, so first of all, the lawns, they have been growing at quite a rate, but thankfully we put a band-aid on this situation and bought a push-along mower.
Yes, Rosie found a very good Shapak lawnmower, which was a bargain, and it has definitely put a band-aid on the situation.
Yes.
We have now mown
a quarter.
Yeah, not even a quarter, a third, no, less than a quarter of our terrain in about a week.
Yeah, but there's lots of beautiful wildflowers in the long grass. And then also other good news, because my car's been fixed, and it was a really cheap fix as well.
It was, yep. I took it around to Jim's and we did compression test on it. The engine was perfect.
Yeah, so we knew it wasn't anything expensive at that point.
Yeah, there's no problem with the engine, and we went through a couple of diagnostics, and I've never seen it before, but it was the HT leads. The HT leads had caused high resistance, so a new set of HT leads, €20, and it's running on all four cylinders again.
Yeah.
Purring like a kitten.
Smooth. Very happy, very happy. I've been getting lots of little jobs coming in, so I've been telling everyone I'm looking for work, which has been really helpful. Cash in hand, which I've been having to take a record of because I have to declare everything. Yep. But it's nice and easy and keeps us going for the moment. I was just starting to think, okay, this is what I'll do. I will sort out some flyers and let everyone know I'm available for all these little jobs that people need doing. And then I got a call back from one of my applications, ADMR, or in English ADMR, who do home help and for the local area for elderly or handicapped people that need a bit of help in their home. The hours aren't going to be, like, it's going to be a bit of an adjustment.
It is, yeah. They're long hours.
There's 12-hour shifts of going to lots of different houses. But I've got a job. Yay. In French. I'm super nervous. I was gobsmacked with the interview because I did ask her, "Did you think my language level was okay?" And hi, Indy. No, she said, "No, you'll be fine." She said, "If you have any problems, just speak slower." So there's normal advice I've had all my life, really.
It's good advice for everyone. If you have any problems, just speak slower.
Yeah. So the next thing, obviously, with the summer holidays coming up, is sorting out childcare for boys. It's different in French culture. Everyone expects me to leave them home by themselves, which we will do a little bit. But I'm not comfortable doing it for the whole day. I'm not convinced that they're completely ready for that. So thankfully, our friend Nicola, on the days when we're both working the whole day, which won't happen very often. I think it's just every other Monday that will happen. Yep. Because Dave's hours are quite, they're not too harsh, are they? So, the work that you do for the chateau anyway.
Yeah, generally it's just more.
The other stuff that you work from home, then you'll be home. So, yeah, every other Monday I expect will be when my friend Nicola has said that she will look after them. So, that's a really big help.
Yeah, and they'll be able to help Nicola muck out animals and.
Oh, that's right. She has said. I've got quite a lot of work doing actually. So it needs doing. So.
Weed veggies. Yeah. They can do that, can't they?
Yes, get them moving, get them doing something. Yeah, and they're still doing great. I just went to a concert on Friday night. Unfortunately, Dave couldn't make it, but the boys are in the choir in English, and they went with 2 other schools and sung their hearts out.
Yeah.
And it was quite a surprise because there were half a dozen English songs as well. So yeah, it was really fun. They had a good night. Yeah, that was really good. And then we were knackered all this weekend because Oliver that was a late night. We got back about 11, and then Oliver spent the rest of the night throwing up.
Yeah.
So we had no sleep
Because
Friday night.
he didn't drink enough during the day, so
Yeah, so he had dehydration, and he was all hot under the lights, wasn't he?
yeah.
Anyway, we're quite optimistic now. Everything feels like it's turning around because we know our income's going up and our bills are going to be paid, and feeling a lot freer. And it's so much easier now to imagine what we want to do next of
That's
our
true.
long list of things.
And it's really nice to be able to kind of keep on top of the grass, even though it is getting bigger, longer
But
and
now
longer.
I've won this job, we should be able to get what we need to fix the ride on.
Yeah.
So it's only for a little while.
Just need a new engine, and it should come out and go back in fairly easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's all really good. It's all really good. And next step is getting ready for our summer because our summer is going to be pretty busy. The first thing that's happening is Dave's band. Dave, Christophe, and Nico have a band. They practice every Thursday night. So the band's called Les Jeudi Soir.
Jeudi Soir.
Les Jeudi Soir. He's got a gig coming up, a public gig. They played a few times, and we've gone to parties where they're playing, but this will be an actual to the general public on the 21st of June.
It's meant to be the 22nd, but we're still a bit tentative about whether we can play it or not.
Oh,
we
really?
we need to find a bassist, and
yeah, Nico might not make it.
Nico can't make it because he's doing a race.
Yeah. And
so
you're not sure if other team members
yeah,
are healthy enough. We also have family visiting. My twin sister's coming with her family. It'll be the first time they've come with her. And I want to get I think that I'm hoping to set up a really beautiful tent for them. But I do need to make some repairs for that to happen. And I also have my dad and another sister and all of her family coming, which will be, how many of them are there? There's
too many.
7, so we need to sort the house out to get them here and having a nice time, and hopefully your mum will come as well. So that's quite a lot. That's a lot of visits. It's also a big occasion for me and my twin sister this year. It's going to be our 40th, and we'd like to plan a fun party. But we can't do that yet until I've got my work hours through. But that's another thing. So and obviously getting settled in the new
work-life balance.
Yeah. So
that's going to be a challenge in itself, but I think it'll be fun.
It's going to be interesting because it means there'll be a shift. I think Dave's going to be with the boys a bit more, but we'll also have a bit more money, so you might be able to have. I like to make fun without spending a lot of money, but Dave does like to have fun spending money, so it might work out where you can take them out and do fun things with them.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. So overall, everything's really positive. I do want to say thank you to my friends at Didier and Omberline, who have been, Didier is the person that recommended ADMR for me to apply for, and he's also been chasing up my application and making sure I get an interview. So I'm really grateful to him because otherwise we wouldn't be this positive now. And Omberline has been finding work for me, odd jobs here and there, and I didn't even ask her to, and she's just taken it upon herself to, I don't know, give my name to everyone. So that's been really lovely, and kept us from really struggling. And a big thank you to Nicola because I asked her about the childcare, and she didn't even blink. I was saying, we need to work out how much money you need. She just, what do you mean?
Yeah,
and she just was like, no, we're pretty much family. I'll have them whenever
you want.
Yeah, she's like, I'll give them something to do. Don't you worry. So thank you, and all the support from everyone else has been really helpful. But definitely a special thank you for those guys because they've helped us get out of the hole. And I don't think there's anything else to say, is there? Except, our next project is basically getting ready for the summer. We're concentrating on the garden, I think, for the next couple of weeks. and getting you guys the band ready.
Yeah, we got a lot of things to do in the garden.
Yeah, and then it will be less to do in the garden anyway because the heat will stop things growing so fast. So the next couple of weeks, the garden, getting the pool sorted, that sort of thing. So we're going to do them, and then after that, I guess we'll get the. I can't remember what was after that. We're doing the garden, and then I think it's the house after that, isn't it? Getting the rooms inside sorted. Ready. But now we're a lot more positive, and we're going to be working, and I don't have to keep looking for work, which is exhausting. Yeah, that's sorted. We can just get on.
Oh, me and the boys have also got a secret project pizza oven, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah, that counts as garden, definitely. We should do that soon. Oh, I love having pizzas in the garden. Anyway, all right, yeah, so that's where we are. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully more good news next week.
Yep. Salut, à bientôt.